Installation precautions and troubleshooting. The product is suitable for pressurization use in water tower, commercial house, tap water, pool with suction, and other scenes. The inlet and outlet is the bottom inlet and the top outlet. The pipe diameter standard is DN25. The joint thread cannot be shorter than 16 mm. No need to wrap rod tape. Installation should be parallel to the ground in vertical installation. It is recommended to install a bypass pipe. Open the bypass pipe during maintenance and close the inlet and outlet valve. After first installation is completed, water injection and exhaust gas or switch and exhaust gas repeatedly before use. If the fault is steady red, such as water shortage, water leakage, or voltage faults, check the fault in time. Plus is to adjust the pressure. Minus is to adjust the pressure. It is recommended to adjust the standard factory value. Variable frequency constant pressure self-priming pump.